In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Postman on your Windows, Google Chrome and Mac systems. First of all, we'll see how you can install on your Windows Mac system. So I have a Windows system here. I have opened a Google Chrome browser. You can open any browser of your choice and just type in Postman download. When you type this Postman download, you will get a link. First link is postman.com downloads. When you click on this link, it will open this page. After opening this page, it will automatically detect what system you are using, if you are using a Windows system or a Mac system, and after that it will give you a download link here. So when you click on the download, it will start your download and it will be approximately a 90 MB file. I have already downloaded it. Let's go to the file and start the installation process. So this is the file, a exe file I have got, that is 92 MB, and I am going to start the installation of this file. Just double click on it. It's a very simple process, like how you install other softwares. It's the same procedure for installing the Postman. You will get a window like this where it will say installing Postman and it will start the installation. So the installation is completed and it's launching of the Postman. So our Postman is started now. This is the window that you will get when you first install the Postman. So here you will not be getting anything, this will be blank, and you will be getting a pop-up here like this in your Postman. Just close this one and let's see the panels. Here is the main panel and here is the sidebar. You will get all the navigation things here. You can create your request here. So these all things we will see it later how we can make use of it, but for now you just know that this is how your Postman, when you open a Postman, it will look like. You might be getting a white theme like this, but I prefer the dark one, so I keep it a dark mode. Let's go to hit our first request in Postman. Click on the plus button. It will open a new request bar, and there let me give the method type as get, and here I am gonna type www.google.com. Just click on the send button. So this is the request and this is the response part. We have the status of 200, the time taken is 510 milliseconds, and the size of the request. When you go here, you can see the response, that is HTML response type, and you will see everything that comes with Google. When you hit the Google from the browser, the same thing you will get it here, but in coding format. See, this is a pretty response. If you click on raw, you will see the raw response. The preview shows you how it will look on the browser, and visualize, you can see the visualization, but you can't visualize this response. Mostly this is used for development purpose. So this is how you send any request in the Postman. Let's focus only on the installation part. Now the installation of Postman on your Windows system is complete. The same way you can follow to install on the Mac system. There is no difference at all in terms of installing. You will get the link to download for the Mac system. Now suppose if you don't want to download this 90 MB file and you don't want to keep one additional software on your system, you have a solution for that as well. There is a plugin provided by Google Chrome where you don't have to download the software, you just have to download the plugin. Just open the Google Chrome browser and there you type Postman for Chrome. It will give you the link to open the Chrome Web Store. Just go to Chrome Web Store. The Postman is selected there. So you will be getting a link like this where you have to click this add to Chrome button, add app, and it will start your downloading here. See, the file is getting downloaded. It's around 546 MB file that will automatically download and it will start adding to the Chrome. So give it some time. It will take maybe 1 or 2 minutes depending on your internet speed. It's installing now, and after the installation your apps will open. If it is not opening, then here you get an option to open the apps of Google Chrome. You just click on that apps and you can see here the Postman is downloaded. Let me open this Postman from here. The Google Chrome will open up a new window icon here that says Postman. If you want, you can sign up, or if you already have account, you can just sign in. I will click here, take me straight to the app. I will create account another time, so you will get like this. Now as I told, this is same to same as whatever we have downloaded in the Windows system application. Just close this and you will be getting something like this. So you have learned how to download a Postman in the Chrome. Now you also know how to download in your local. Now the decision is yours, whichever you want you can keep it. So this completes the installation. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.